Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the physical parts and the credentials you need. First, connect the biometric reader and verify driver installation. This ensures the SDK can access scanners. Next, capture a high-resolution fingerprint and take 2 verification photos because entropy and redundancy improve matching accuracy. Then, provision the secure element with an initial key pair. This prevents exposing private keys. Once done, register your digital certificate with the issuance software and confirm the device communicates at the correct port and baud rate. You now flash the card applet and create partitions for identity, biometrics, and keys so data separation enforces security. Then, process the fingerprint, normalize the image, extract minutiae, and convert to a compact, error-tolerant template. Encrypt that template with AES 256 to protect privacy. Next, perform mutual authentication between card and issuance station. This binds the encrypted template to the secure element and writes a template UID plus policy rules. Make sure to verify the stored template checksum to avoid later failures. You finish by rigorously testing the card. Perform multiple enrollments and verifications to measure false reject and false accept rates because reliability is non-negotiable. Once satisfied, write final credentials, lock issuance keys, and set user PIN and access policies so the card is tamper-resistant. If a match fails in the field, first recalibrate the sensor and check image normalization. Then reprocess the impression or re-enroll using an alternate finger. Make sure to enable Secure Erase to prevent template leakage if the card is compromised.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.